What's going on, awesome people? This is Marcus from the future. Make this real quick. The next few videos that y'all catch didn't quite go as planned, so instead of doing one video and it being a large video, we decided to break it up into 2, 3, maybe 4, just depends on how it goes. I know it's at least 2 so far, but the reason I'm doing this is the intros and the exits may be a little different, or it may be missing an exit and an intro altogether in the video. And like I said, that is just because it was intended to be one video, and honestly it got a little too long, so we decided to break it up. But anyway, that's it from the future for me. So if we messed up the intro and we messed up the outro, you know what, we apologize. We still love y'all. So God loves you, we love you, and remember, smile and wave. We'll see y'all later. All right, folks, we're just leaving Lowe's. We bought some paint. This is the bags we were given. The size of my head.
No, for better reference, hold it up. It's the size of my hand.
So therefore, we had to put our stuff back in the buggy because obviously the bags weren't big enough. Way to go, Lowe's. We love you guys. What's going on, everybody? We are at the house today. We got Miss Tony. And well, let's do a real quick walkthrough and show y'all what we're gonna get started on today, and then that too. So right here, front door. This room right here is going to be Tony's office. I would say mine, but no. And then we have the kitchen here, which today in the video y'all will see us doing the countertops. We're going to redo the countertops to see what it looks like before we completely decide on what color we're going to do the cabinets with. This is obviously living room, dining room, and Tony. This is our bedroom. And the amazing new bathroom, which we're thankful that we didn't have to do that. We ain't gonna be arguing over the shower now. Tony again. And as you can tell by the wall colors, they did some of it, but they were kind of worried about doing the paneling. We are not. We are brave enough to attack it. Trinity's bedroom. Matthew's bedroom, which thankfully, other than the doors, we don't have to do anything with it. Their bathroom, aka my bathroom most of the time. And then we'll show you some of the cool spots. Hopefully it's quit raining by now. I can show you what we want to do with the backyard. This little completely closed in sunroom here, since Kaylee's off at college and we don't get her a whole lot, this is actually going to be dedicated space for her because she's almost 20. That way she has a door to come and go. That way she doesn't have to ask Dad and Stepmom permission to leave. And then this is the closed in back porch, which as y'all can tell, it is massive. And we love it because great family get-togethers, games, whatever. And then we have the outside cooking stuff.
Yeah, that stuff will be used eventually for homesteading, canning, preserving, that kind of stuff. And just ignore how raggedy we look today because it is about 90 degrees in here at the moment.
It is humid. Oh look, it's done stopped raining after a monsoon. This is obviously the back deck,
which, you know, needs some love, but as we've said earlier, we're going to take this elephant one bite at a time.
And then we have our outbuilding and our shed garage, which is going to be
redone here in the next few weeks. Thankfully, our aunt is going to take care of that. But this area right here, yeah, all this. Fire pit, hammocks. And believe it or not, that tree line out there, we're putting in a bow range. We're going to get back to slinging arrows because Tony misses it and Tony needs to do it.
Yes, I do miss it.
But anyway, that's it for right now. Let me turn this thing around where y'all can actually see us. That's going to be it for the moment. But you're going to get some time lapse of us doing the kitchen countertop, and then we'll see what happens from there. Anyway, we'll see y'all when we start the countertops. So what we're doing first here is we're cleaning the counter surfaces, and then we will take a sanding block and scuff it. We will clean it again, and then you will see us begin to apply the epoxy paint that is made for countertops. And you'll see that in the time lapse. But just letting you know what we're doing right now, that way you know what the steps will be as you see it throughout the time lapse.
You will never cease to be beside me, constant, not dependent on what I see. And I can always trust you know what I need. And now I know that I can trust you rightly. And you came through the sky like you opened blind eyes. So I'm giving you right, no more looking behind. You are good, you are kind, you can have all my life. I'm yours, you are mine.
Open my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. Forever, Lord, your love will always be the same. I know that your faithfulness will never change. I'm trusting in the way that you provide for me today. What more can I say? Lift my hands and pray. I know you will always be enough. Always fill my cup. Looked around the world to find a love that's something like your love, but I couldn't find anything even close. Anywhere that I go, everywhere now I know you will always have my heart. My miracle, you open my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. So good, you always are so good. Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me.
You will never fail me, you will never fail me.
Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me.
Alright, we are fixing to start the second coat, and honestly, it didn't turn out too bad.
And for everybody critiques, keep in mind we are by no means professionals.
Lord no, this is straight up DIY. Let's hope it works.
First time we've ever done countertops.
But hey,
so
for 30 bucks, what can you say? But anyway, we're gonna flip y'all back to time lapse. We're gonna do the second coat, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We'll see y'all in the time lapse.
I came before his throne. He touched my lips and made me whole. Exchanged my heart of stone for one of flesh and put life in my bones. And all I can say is, holy is he. Yeah, holy is he. He opened up my eyes and gave me spiritual sight. All I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Holy is he. Holy, all I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Holy is he. Holy, all I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Now that my eyes have seen